Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and tell me what you think. So today we're working with a 613 unit. My client brought this to me. She wanted her wig installed and she also wanted me to add brown roots to it. So I'm just going to work with this honey brown from Adore number 48. It was about $5. I only used one bottle, so that's all you need to do the roots. I'm just going to show you guys really quick what I did and how I achieved this look. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just sectioning the hair off. I'm sectioning it like you just separate the hair from the frontal and the bundles. So I'm just going to clip the bundles back so it's not in the hair. It's not in the way of the hair while I'm dyeing the hair, if that makes sense. I hope it does. I hope I'm not sounding crazy trying to explain this, but you guys can just see what I did. I just clipped the hair, the bundle hair, back away from the hair of the frontal. So now I'm just going to take my color. You guys can use like a bowl, or in this instance, I just used this piece of paper because it was the closest thing to me. So I'm just going to make sure I shake it up real good, and I'm going to pour it out. I'm gonna only use a little bit at a time. If this is your first time, or if you're used to doing it, still use a little bit at a time because you don't want to stain the lace. That's the most important part. Don't stain the lace. So I'm just going to take this comb here, and you guys can see how much I have on my comb. I'm just going to take this comb here and just work my way on the roots, making sure I don't get any hair on the lace. You can use a toothbrush. You can use a comb like this. You can use a tint brush. You can really use anything you want to, but this was the closest thing to me. So this is just what I used, and it works really good. So I went ahead and finished it, and this is what the color should look like. Of course it's brighter because it's wet. So right now I'm just gonna comb it out and I'm just gonna start plucking. There isn't any specific way that I plucked. You know, if you could pluck how you normally pluck. I was in a rush, so I really didn't pluck as thoroughly as I should have on camera. I did it more on my client's head, so you could just watch and see, you know, what I do. This was the finished look. I am so happy she decided to go with this color. It was so pretty on her, and it was her birthday, so you know she came to get laced by Dage. Let me guys know what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys soon.